welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to unbox the November 2022 Beauty Heroes box. As you guys know, if you follow my channel, I love the first of the month or whenever I get the box, because it means I get to open a new box and I get so excited about it. Last month, the box was Inner Sense and it was a bunch of hair products. And I wasn't like super excited about it because I had already had the products and almost all of them, and sort of wasn't like looking to get a whole new refill of them. So I'm hoping that this month I am excited. It would be fun if it was like a new brand or new to me products. That's what I'm looking for and hoping for. So I'm excited. Anyways, I just tried to put a little makeup on. I'm actually wearing my husband's shirt because I am 33 weeks pregnant with twins and almost like nothing fits me over my stomach at this point, even like my maternity clothes from my previous pregnancies. So sorry. It's all about comfort these days, let me tell you. All right, so I don't know what's in here. I don't know what brand it is or what the products are. I don't even think I'm really gonna speculate. So I think I just want to open it up with you and see. So let's do it. Oh, interesting. All right. We have the brand True Botanicals. I have never used anything from this brand, so that's exciting. It's a brand new brand to me. I think they have a retinol, and I'm hoping that it's not the retinol because I am pregnant and it is the retinol. Okay. I'm pretty sure you aren't supposed to use these during pregnancy, and then I don't know about during nursing. And I'm not really sure how I feel about retinol anyways, but anyways, that's my commentary. So this is what the box looks like. We have Phytoretinol Vitamin A Sleep Mask. Okay. And Phytoretinol Vitamin A Booster capsules. So I don't know about pregnancy safety here. We'll have to see what it says about that. Okay, so let's see here. Two products. We have the Phytoretinol Vitamin A Booster. And so this is the 60 capsules. I like the packaging, it's pretty. There is a little note in here that says, due to the high concentration of carotenoids in this treatment, you might experience staining on a white pillowcase if used right before lying down. To mitigate, we recommend applying a cream moisturizer on top of the Phytoretinol Vitamin A Booster, like our Chibula Extreme Cream, or use it only during your morning routine. So, yes, I was curious to see if they had anything about pregnancy on here. Just in case. Ooh, what an interesting little package. Pretty. So anyways, it's a jar and it has capsules in it. So 60 capsules, $120. So they're $2 per capsule. It says, turns out vitamin A is something of a wonder. Neither naturally produced in the body nor found on its own in plants or animals, vitamin A is nevertheless an essential nutrient for optimal skin and body health. In animals, vitamin A is found as a fat-soluble retinol, which converts to retinoic acid when it comes in contact with the skin. Animal-derived and synthetic forms of retinoic acid have earned retinol its reputation as a skin savior, but it comes at a cost. Retinol products are often over-the-counter regulated and can cause skin sensitization. I was just thinking that's actually really like a concern of mine, because I've always heard when people start using retinol, they peel and all this kind of thing. And that's like beyond what I'm really willing to try on my skin. I'll use some like a little bit harsher products, you know, for instance, like the Little Fox Acid Glow. It's like a little chemical peel, and I'll use that like once a week or once every 10 days. But I'm not willing to use something that's gonna like make my skin red and raw and peel. I don't desire like skin turnover that much. Anyways, let's keep reading. In plants, vitamin A is found as provitamin A, the most common of which is beta carotene. When it hits the skin, enzymes in the epidermis convert it into a bioavailable form of vitamin A, specifically retinol. The pros to provitamin A: it's non-sensitizing, vegan, and loaded with antioxidants, making it the ingredient of choice for the True Botanicals phytoretinol collection, an edited range of natural biocompatible treatments that are clinically proven to deliver all the benefits of synthetic retinol without sacrifice. This month's discovery is like none other. 2 pure, potent, and proven treatments for around-the-clock protection and prevention. Okay, so this is the hero product. Our hero product is the Tiny But Mighty Phytoretinol Vitamin A Booster. Single dose ampules of concentrated provitamin A beta carotene from burrudi fruit oil, amaranth oil, and carrot root. This exquisite blend is also rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E, which work together to defend against oxidative stress from external factors, while brightening, smoothing, and plumping the look and the feel of skin. 90% of users agree that these boosters are a great replacement to a traditional retinol product. All right, let's see what we see here. Unlike other forms of retinol, this microbiome-friendly treatment can be safely incorporated into your daily skincare routine without fear of photosensitization or irritation when combined with other actives and exfoliants. 98% of users confirmed no irritation or sensitivity was experienced when using this treatment. Whether applied to cleanse skin or added to your moisturizer or serum, maximum bioavailability is achieved. Its dark orange color gives your skin an immediate glow, but to prevent it from transferring to your pillowcase, please be sure to allow it to fully absorb. So the superpower ingredients are amaranth seed extract, apricot kernel oil, burrudi fruit oil, carrot root extract, chia seed extract, and sea buckthorn oil. So I still have no idea if you are pregnant or breastfeeding if you're supposed to use this. So not sure how I feel about the product because I don't know if it's even safe for me to use it at this point. So we'll see. We'll move on to the next product. This is a phytoretinol vitamin A sleep mask. Same pretty packaging. I love a mask too. Be nice if I could use this. I don't know if I understand all the differences with the retinols and what's safe and what isn't, etc. Looks like this, the jar. All right, so this is 1.7 ounces for $140. So we have one for $120 and one for $140. So the value of the box is $260 this month. While there's no cure yet for chronological aging, nature gifts us with a solution to stress-induced aging in the form of flowers, mainly primrose. This month's sidekick, Phytoretinol Vitamin A Sleep Mask, works wonders while you slumber with the power of primrose flower, clinically proven to reduce signs of stress-induced skin aging, including dullness, rootiness, and fatigue, by inhibiting cortisol levels in the skin and flooding the skin barrier with plant actives and antioxidants that help improve smoothness, bounciness, and texture. In fact, 98% of women experience significant improvement in skin smoothness just after 4 weeks of regular use. Light as lace on the skin, this bioavailable waxless formula spreads elegantly across face, neck, and décolleté, sinking in with ease. A soothing blend of ylang-ylang and frankincense is a final treatment for the skin and senses before bedtime. By addressing our natural hormone levels at night when the skin is in a receptive, reparative state, it helps suppress cortisol spikes during the day. When combined with provitamin A retinoic acid and powerhouse antioxidant astaxanthin, this biocompatible mask works with skin's innate intelligence to do what the body does best during rest: restore, repair, and rejuvenate. Bouncier skin by sunrise, guaranteed. And the superpower ingredients in this are astaxanthin, burrudi oil, green tea extract, primrose extract, rosehip seed oil, and sea buckthorn oil. So I'm not gonna open it right now because I don't have a clear understanding yet if it's a product that I could start using now while pregnant or not. there is some information on the back here about True Botanicals, as there always is about the brand. And they say, you know, stuff about it being safe and stuff, but I don't know what the story is with pregnancy. And the funny thing is, I know a lot of times when you ask the question to like Beauty Heroes or a company, are these safe to use during pregnancy? You often get the response of, you should talk to your doctor about it. And I don't know, like I know regular retinol you're not supposed to use during pregnancy, I believe, and maybe breastfeeding as well. But like, does my OB/GYN doctor have a clear understanding of like retinoic acid and vitamin A boosters and all that kind of stuff? Like, I don't know. So I can find that kind of frustrating sometimes if you can't get a straight answer from either Beauty Heroes or the brand. But I'm hoping I can go on to Instagram and like see if people are asking the same question and what people are getting as a response and everything. Because it would be great to be able to use these. I just don't know if they are pregnancy safe. Now I am in like the last 30 days or so of my pregnancy, so I could, you know, start using them, but I'm really hoping like once after I'm pregnant, just like wait. But I also would like to know if they're nursing safe, like while you're breastfeeding, because I would like to be able to breastfeed if I can with these twins. So that would put me potentially like at not being able to use it for like over a year if I was able to breastfeed that length of time. So I guess we'll have to see. I am kind of bummed, to be honest. During my pregnancy at least, one of the boxes was Prima, and that was all like CBD products. So I haven't touched any of those because I didn't want to use CBD products while pregnant. The last box was Innersense, which I had, you know, most of the products. And now this box is with like retinol stuff, which I don't know if it's pregnancy safe. So I'm a little bit bummed, to be honest with you, but I'm sure like the average person is excited, although I don't know how many of the average person or people want to be using a retinol. Like if they're not already, I don't know, I'm not sure. I like to be a little bit more like careful with my skin, but I don't know how much that same feeling is like across the community. So anyways, I will leave it there. I'll see if I'm able to try these products this month. But we have the True Botanicals Vitamin A Booster and the True Botanicals Phytoretinol Vitamin A Sleep Mask as our two products. So let me know your thoughts. I would love to chat with you in the comments below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and click the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted for when my next video comes out. And I look forward to chatting with you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.